Good afternoon, everyone. So here we are after yesterday's New York session. We had some big problem with the internet issue, so I had to stop streaming middle of the stream. Here we are streaming again. There you go. I haven't taken any trade yet and not planning to do it in this London session. After one loss on yesterday's stream, I had a good day after the stream. So not planning to take trade here. Most probably I'll take trade in. Just give me a sec. In New York session, which apparently I cannot stream because I'm doing lots of things at the same time and it put pressure on my PC. So yeah. So this is the one setup I could find just for analyzing. Not taking trade into it. First let's just go back and look at the daily buy. Look at the last week's performance by NQ. We have been straight up ripping 1000 points. If we start counting from here, yeah, 1000 point. The next area we can go to on NQ on daily chart is this 464. Taking out that liquidity, entering into this CB, which is unfilled here on top. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So we all knew this gonna come up after we took out these lows perfectly and dipped into this FPG. Boom. We may see a pullback after going here, but we have some news coming out on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yeah, depends on that. How is it? Nifty down 66% it shows. Nifty, Bank Nifty here. I live in Gujarat. Karthik. You guys can't see me timings now. Just give me a sec, I'll sort this down and adjust for you. It's fine. There you go. It may work now. Yeah, need a little bit of more adjustment. Should work now. There we go, completely. So that's the daily chart. looking at 491. London timing session 134 hours and yeah, I know. That's why I came late, 12:30. Otherwise, I would have come at 12. Even yesterday, New York session started at 8. Thank you for reminding though. I saw breaker in 15-minute chart. Breaker. Which breaker you are talking about? I'm not sure. I don't use those breakers in my trading. So if you can. Alright. We have BC to the downside. That downside. Let's see if we get filled in that. If there is news coming out later on this week, London session doesn't do anything. But let's see at what happens on London session open. $15,170. We have FG to here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna retrace back into this at least 50% area of this. We're talking about 170. I'm not sure about 170, but at least into this FG. So yeah. Let me just quickly go through what we traded last night on New York session. I'll have to mark 9:30 first. There we go. And let's just go to replay button. That makes sense. No. I just only look at this chart. This is the only chart I look at. Let me just remove everything else. Drawings. So what we were looking for is just before NQ open up these highs and these lows. This is the buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. This is yesterday's 9:30 opening. So let's just play it out how it works. There you go. Too quick. Too quick for me. So I'm just gonna dive into second charts now as we took out this liquidity, right? Let me just go back. There you go. I'm gonna play it. Our first entry was here for the displacement. FVG entered here. Aiming for at least 30 to 35 points. And what happened was we got stopped out. it came down for a bit and then it took support from this FVG, and our first trade was failure, 15 points. So let me just pause it again, and there we go. Nice. We saw this FPG got respected again after we dumped here, so we entered here, somewhere here, if I don't remember like totally, but somewhere here, and stop above that FPG, which comes out to 20 point, and there you go. Let's play it out, testing that again. Yeah, usually you don't find MSS in first leg. Means when NQ starts to run, you have to trust your displacement, because if you go look for the MSS every time, you won't get entry. And I tend to take those risks. 15 to 32. Yeah, nice entry spot. We entered a bit late, to be honest. Should have entered somewhere here on top, but it is what it is. Market consolidated for a bit. Oh, sorry, our target was 188. Yeah. I think this was our target too. I don't know, I'll have to go back and check. But yeah, first trade was loss, second trade was win. I think first trade was we lost 15 points on that trade, and second trade we took 56 points something. So that is that. With double contracts. So yeah, I'll have to go back and check the contracts again, where we entered exactly. I'll post in the community post later on. Let's see what is happening here. I don't think so we're gonna get anything until we open up on London session. I wanted to enter in this trade, but as I'm almost close to pass this another account, I don't want to mess it up. No, they transfer you money in the bank account. I have not experienced it, but I'm still yet to take payout. I am eligible for it, but I'm thinking about after 11th I'm gonna apply for it. But from what I have heard is that they deposit money into bank account via transfer. After Diwali, maybe before Diwali, let's just see. I think we are going for that FPG. Could have been scalping trade, 16 points, 15 points. But as I said, London session can be risky. And still we are not open in that. So, Asian session, you can call it. again reacting from that FVG. This time it has filled. No, the same thing has happened. Let's see if it runs through these wicks down there. That's the run. Let's see if we enter this FVG. We have initial reaction from FVG, just tapped into it and going back, but I think we are going to C of this FVG at least. Not ready yet for me. We'll be trading in New York session properly. This is just tape reading session.